Let's make cheesy ubi rice cake. First, i-ready ang ating glutinous rice flour. Lagyan ng grated ubi at water. I-mix mabuti at iset aside. Hiwain ang ating ubi halaya. Iset aside at i-ready ang ating mozzarella cheese. I-grated. At kunin na ang glutinous rice flour na dough. I-flatten, lagyan ng ubi halaya at cheese at takpan ng dough again at pagulungin sa ating sesame seeds, prituhin sa kaunting mantika, antay maging golden brown. I-ready na ang sauce, 2 kutsarang soy sauce, 1 kutsarang peanut butter at 1 kutsarang honey. I-mix mabuti, lagyan ng kaunting water at ilagay na sa ating prinito na dough kanina. Ready na for platings. Ready na ang ating cheesy ubi rice cake. Tara, tikman na natin.